Welcome in the tutorial of Excel learning from basic to become expert by example. Why I am taking here example? That example will teach you many things in easy way. So let me give you first example what I am going to teach you in my Excel course. So let us consider that you are a team leader and there are number of people are working with you. Now you want to assign the task to each of your team member, so there will be a number of tasks will be there and you want that all the tasks must be completed within stipulated time. So that's why you want to send continuous reminder from the Excel, and you also want the tracking or summary report, how many tasks are completed till date or pending, or you want to prepare an analytical chart in which it will show you that how many tasks are still to be completed within the stipulated time, and you want that for all that particular scenario you want to send mail to each of them. So let me go through first Excel. See what I am talking over here. This there are 5 to 6 people are working with you initially, and you want that this task, these are the tasks which must be completed within stipulated time, and you assign the target date each of to them. But now in some of the cases that task is still pending, but person is not aware about this. You want to send them continuous reminder. So how we will first this prepare this Excel? I will teach you with each and every example. With if there are so many basic commands which are required to understand before Excel, I will teach you with all the shortcuts. Let's see, these are the table which all the team members are working with you, and here is the summary table which at the end of this course you will prepare by yourself. So this is just an example, so it will teach you many things to complete this Excel course from beginner to advanced. Here is the summary report, how many actions were there and how many out of that is completed and overdue, in progress or closed or under discussion. Apart from this, you will also learn how to send a mail from this VBA. It will automatically redirect from Excel to Outlook and automatically shoot the pending task to your particular person. I'm not going through this. I will teach you in consecutive lesson. But just let me give you an example. Let's say this is the person care for my parent when they are old. Now this task is assigned to Abigail Ritchie and the target date is 30th April, and I am recording this video at 20th April. So let's say there are 10 days are left and you want that before 7 days of target date you want to send this mail, and for that we have prepared some visual basic coding, and I will teach you which are the codes are required to understand this task and complete this scenario, and it will automatically shoot this mail to respected person. So be there with this course. I will teach you many things. So what you are going to learn in consecutive this course? Numbers of Excel shortcuts from keyboard which are widely used, like Control plus, Control Shift plus, Control down in Windows. Like these are the shortcuts which are required for daily use, insert column and like this thing. Numbers of Excel equations like if, sum, count, lookup, index, match, etc. You will also learn VBA Visual Basic Editor, form creation, how this form will work. Let me go through this example. If you want to add a person and email ID, you can add over here. Let me give this by example. You want that John Parker gmail.com. It is his email ID. When you will submit it, it will automatically redirect to name and email ID sheet, and automatically it will add this thing. If you want again to add someone, you can clear, and you can also fill up this form. If you want to go to main page, you can go directly redirect to go to main page, and you can close this form. These are the form creation tricks which you will going to learn. Again, I am telling, main interesting part of this course is email reminder from Excel to Outlook. Automatically it will shoot each and every mail from Excel to the Outlook to particular person for specific task, not for each and every task. So this will be time saving technique, continuous reminding technique, an official way to remind someone. So why you are waiting? Want to learn something in the Excel? Join, enroll now this course. Okay, thank you. We'll take you through lectures and series of Excel. Join now.